Hello, Destiny. This will be some video feedback for you on midterm milestone 1. And I wanted to remind you that if you have any difficulties, between now and the end of the term regarding the class, don't hesitate to reach out and I will accommodate you. So here's to a strong end of the semester. Destiny, this is very nice. And I forgot about the parasailing motif. I like the contrast to scale, the large figures in the foreground, the small details in the background. It looks like the logo may have been squashed a little bit, but nonetheless, I like the colors that you've used. This pale blue against these sort of powdery purples, lavenders, very nice. The typography, see if you can limit maybe the amount of copy you're using. I like these bubbles, I think, perhaps fewer of them, and this fits a little more awkwardly, and this is sort of it's neither a square nor a bubble. Think about ways of aligning your type. This is centered, this is these are random centered. Perhaps think of, a couple of vertical axes along which to align the type, and you don't have to center things. You can have things flush left, right. The letter space or word spacing on this, though, seems pretty generous. In any case, you've got really nice ingredients, and move them around, flop them, perhaps make them really large. Maybe have the figures in the foreground go from top to bottom, if the resolution will bear that. Perhaps make the parasailer, really huge, come in as a semicircle off the left to cantilever, balance the composition. I'm going to open it up in Illustrator to see how it is structured. I've got two files here, Destiny. I'm wondering if this was submitted later. I'm going to open up the one that's dated today, and this is Illustrator. Let's see if you have linked or embedded images. Yay! Go Destiny! You embedded everything. Super. Oh, warms the cockles of me heart. Thank you. Okay, I was talking about the, perhaps enlarging the figures. Let me just see what that might look like. I don't want to distort them. I don't know. It's hard to tell. There are ways to, let me just sort of fake it, okay, to get a better idea. This is distracting, all that extra space, but I don't know, it's up to you. These are more like thought bubbles, although that could be used as a motif too. I'm wondering what this would look like, really large. Yeah, makes the presence of them sort of by association. I don't know, things to think about, move it around. You've got some nice ingredients there. You might want to refine your masks, learn about soft edge masking. It's really useful for hair like this. And there seems to be a little halo or something along the edge of perhaps the mask. All things to refine. I'm going to leave it here, Destiny. Nice job. Really nice file structure.